Yeah, now it's visible. You can just hide that one also, no?
Sorry, ma'am.
There's a small dialog box near there. Stop sharing and hide. Hide it.
Okay.
Ah, yeah. Cool. Now it's visible.
Okay, so this is how our studio looks like when you open. There are four quadrants here. Okay, so each one has a specific name. The leftmost one is called the source editor, wherein you can type the R codes. Okay, and you can edit the codes according to your requirement. And this is called the console window, which is at the bottom. As you run the codes, you can get to see how the codes are getting processed, whether it's completed, is there any error, or is there any mistake in your code. So those kind of topic will appear in the console window. Towards your left hand side is called your workspace browser. Here you will be able to make out which particular file is being called, which file are you working on, where is it situated in the directory, and what are the components of that file. So all that will be displayed onto your right hand side, which is called the workspace browser. So just below to that, here is your other quadrant, just having your files, plots, packages, help, etc. So once you run the code and you get the output, the plots will be displayed here onto your right hand side, be it your forest plot, fun plot, or any other plots like library, the bubble plot, or anything as such. So once the result is generated, you'll be able to visualize it on the right quadrant. You can also export it. Like if you want it in the form of an image or in the form of a PDF, you can just click onto this export option, save as image or save as PDF. So any of these can be done. You can use those images further in your research papers or in your presentations wherever. Okay. So first, I would like to explain this code very briefly, and then I should share the data with you, all, which is in Excel format. So once you read the file and generate the code, when you start running the code, you will be able to generate a forest plot and funnel here. Okay. So um, any comments, it is usually represented in the form of hash. These are just comments for our understanding. They are not the codes. Codes are usually in this color, as you can see, blue and black. Okay, so to run any specific statistical analysis, each and every statistical analysis they are stored in certain packages. For example, for meta-analysis, we need these three library files, which is metaphor, meta, open, XLS. Okay, so these packages need to be installed before you can run meta-analysis. So first what we do is we insert the code called library in which we call the metaphor package.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is somehow we are not able to get it clearly. Is there any network issues? Can you just cross check once?
Um, just give me a minute.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Maybe I'm using both your phone and
System, because of that, ma'am, you can
I think
you
it's
can
getting
just
the code.
yeah, you can just use either of that. Maybe because of the interference it is happening, ma'am.
Is it better now?
No, not
No.
yet.
Okay, let me just see. Is it okay?
Not still. Some, yeah, I feel like some fan or some background is noise is coming. That's why it's
Okay, I can
interfering.
switch it up. Give me a minute. It should be better now.
Hello, ma'am.
Ma'am, is it okay?
Yeah, yeah, ma'am. Please.
Okay. So, what I was telling was, so these are the library files. What is a prerequisite for running these codes? Okay, so we need to install these packages called Metaphor and Meta. Then this is the code. We need not usually sit and type every code line by line. So what we can do is, as such, we can save this code and keep it. Only when we are inserting a particular file, Excel file, we just need to mention the name of the file and where it is stored. We need to give the location so that it is called. So this library files 1, 2, 3, and 4. These lines are default for running meta-analysis program. Okay. Then once we start typing and we enter these codes, first thing what we need to do is we need to set the working directory. That is, we are telling the software where is our Excel file or where is our Excel data for analysis purpose. So, um, what I do is go to session, set working directory, choose directory. So, my R codes are stored in this particular folder, which is here. I say so this is my working directory where I have saved all the R codes and indicating or I'm telling the software, please take all the R codes and data from this folder and analyze the data which is present in this folder. So that is the indication. Okay. So this particular menu indicates the software that you need to read the file which is in Excel format, okay, which is present in the folder what I have set right now. After that, um, this is the code for it to analyze what is present inside the Excel file. Okay, so I'll open the Excel file right now. Okay, so this is the Excel data what I have prepared for analysis purpose. I have done systematic analysis, systematic review. Out of it,
Shinduja, your voice is still breaking, Shinduja. Sorry to
oh, sorry, ma'am.
your voice is quite breaking. It's not at all clear like in the morning session.
Uh, can I just log out of the session and log in again for a minute?
Yeah, yeah, do try
Maybe it
that
will be better.
because audible properly.
Yeah, I will do that now. Give me.
Yeah, try that, please. We'll
Yes, ma'am.
Your voice is clear, ma'am. Okay,
Yes, yes.
fine. So this is the data what I had collected for this prevalent study of process, and these are the different research papers from which I've taken the data. So how I've calculated is name, et al, year, and under the title study, then events. Events is number of total
Excuse me,
positive out of the total
ma'am,
number
I'm
of
back.
animals tested. So out of
just a
240,
second, Shinduja. Yes.
Ma'am, actually, I do have a doubt. How you extracted this data?
ma'am, as we read the research papers, when we go through the abstract, in the result section, like a small line result will
So
be
that is
mentioned, right?
manually done, right?
Sorry, manually.
Manually done. This data extraction is manually done.
Exactly, manually, ma'am.
Okay.
For the purpose of systematic review, we have certain softwares called Bioclues software that is going to help you to scrutinize the papers. But this needs to be done manually. You need to enter the values manually. Presently, I'm not sure if there are any online tools or just extracts the data and puts it, but this was done manually, ma'am. Can I continue? Hello?
Maybe Shinduja, you can just show one paper from which you have how you pick those numbers.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, just to example to show that how you picked from that paper, the events and total, and then maybe after that everyone can understand that.
Oh, okay, that would be better, ma'am. Let me
Yeah,
proceed.
and can you share these files in the WhatsApp group so that they'll also start downloading and be ready with this?
Yeah, yeah. What I thought was I'll just explain once how it runs, then I'll share the code and these files, same files to you all so that you can run from your end.
Yeah.
Simultaneously, we will help
Could you
you.
be just a bit, speak louder also because somehow it is, still not very clear. Not breaking though.
Hmm.
Just speak out louder. Maybe
Sure, ma'am.
that should work. Yeah.
Okay. Let me just try getting this research paper for you so that you get a broad idea of how I've taken up the data. That's it. Hope you can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So when you open any research article, usually when you go through the abstract, uh, the number of animals tested and how many were positive be indicated. Okay, at the first go. Else, what you would need to do is you need to read through the result section. So here, what they've given us 420 samples of raw cow, buffalo, and sheep milk were collected through this time, and using the milking test, they have detected whether Brucella antibodies were present. Okay, so the positive results were obtained in 24.2% of the samples by means of enrichment loss 62 Brucella. Okay, so 24.2 percentage of 420 samples needs to be calculated. Okay, and when you go to the result section, maybe a table will be given. Yeah. So in this, out of the total number of samples of cows were 120, of which 31 samples were positive. So this is how we take the positive count. Similarly, out of 420 uh, 420 with the total number of animals. So, buffaloes, the total number of buffaloes were 120, which were tested, of which 42 were positives. So, similarly, when you check other research papers, either in the abstract or in the table, you will be getting the count, number of positives out of the total number tested. Is that clear, ma'am? So here I've taken total of 240. That is both all bovines, cows and buffaloes, of which 31 were positive. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Similarly, sorry, any question, ma'am? Okay, let me proceed. So similarly, I have shortlisted many other papers and segregated different animals, maybe cows, buffaloes. On that basis, I've pulled in this data. Okay, so this was just to explain how the data is tabulated in three columns. Column is by study, events, total. So when we come back to the code, huh, so the three columns have been defined here. And make sure you use the same uh, capitalization. So all were caps, study, events, total, as it is present in the Excel sheet also. So here we're defining these three columns. Okay. Once the meta function is run, first what we need to generate is the forest plot. When you run this code, forest plot will be generated, followed by the funnel plot. Okay, so let me just run this code for you and show. So how do you run? Go to the first line of the code. You need not run these lines because these are just statements, arguments, which is presented by hash. All you need to run are these codes which are appearing in blue and black color. Okay, so how do you start running? Go to the first line, control and enter. You need to click both simultaneously. Control enter. So you see when I do that, the first line is red. So internally, when you see the console window, it says it has read the package and it's tried to extract the metaphor package. Whatever is the backend function, it has already been extracted. Similarly, I have to run the next line. So I click on control enter. So the library file is also read. Control enter. Control enter. Similarly, come down, control enter, control enter, follow, run. So what has happened is the complete code has run. Funny plot and forest plot is both generated. There is a warning message here in the console window telling that a directory called data already exists. So when we open the folder called data, where I've set the working folder, right? When I go to that folder back, and when I open that data folder, I will be able to get my result. Since it was already a data folder, itself it is not renamed. So when you look onto the right hand side, that is the workspace browser, it says the software has read the file by name data underscore Brucelos BRU2, which is was an Excel file. It had about three variables, that is study, events, total, and about 133 entries in that. Okay, so let's go to this data folder which has generated the plots right now. Okay. Now you can see the date modified. That is today's date, 131. These two results have been generated. So let me open the forest plot which was just generated right now. Okay. So according to the sequence, what I have entered in my Excel sheet, I have made it in alphabetical order for my understanding so that we get in a sequential order. So sometimes what happens that when you start entering the data from different research papers, it will be just happens that it would not be sequentially arranged. So just for it to look in a uniform manner, I sorted the form of alphabetical order so that it could like it looks uniform and it looks good to read. So here all the studies have been listed. Okay, so the events, that is the total positives out of how many total organisms there is 240, so 39 were positive. All these have been listed. This is the central axis which I have explained in the morning. The so the total number of animals tested were 65,025. Okay, of which you can either consider common effects model or random effects model. There's another thing called fixed effect model. So usually, since there's lots of heterogeneity, we go with random effects model. So according to the forest plot which is generated here, okay, what is to be concluded is the overall prevalence of brucellosis from all these articles during the period of 2000 and maybe the earliest article was in 1960, a period of 20 years, a period of 50 years was 12%. This is indicating the percentage. The heterogeneity I square value was 97%. Tau square value is another heterogeneity factor, which is this. P value is however equal to 0. Okay. And the CI value is 95%. The confidence interval is 95%. This is the forest plot which can be included in the research paper and interpreted. Similarly, I was talking regarding the publication bias. Okay.
Shinduja, if you don't mind, just remove the your earphones and speak. No, there's a lot of disturbance. I mean, we're not able to understand what you're trying to say.
Oh my God, I'm sorry, ma'am.
Yeah,
Is it better now? No,
no,
no, what's happening? I reducing the volume. Is it
yeah, maybe.
continuity?
The funnel plot. You were talking about the funnel plot.
Funnel plot, yeah. Okay, so this is a funnel plot which is generated based on the Excel sheet. It's what we can conclude with this is there's lots of publication bias. That is, there is heterogeneity among the included articles. So the articles is distributed in a like on both the sides of the funnel, and there is lots of heterogeneity. So we can also run the other statistical tools like Eggers test and Beck's test to identify the amount of heterogeneity in the publication bias. Okay, so these two plots can be included in our research paper or wherever you need to present your work. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will share these two files, that is Excel and the meta-analysis code. Um, can I do it in the chat or through WhatsApp? What do you prefer? Is it possible?
Zoom, no, it's only Zoom has that option of sharing the files. I don't think Gmeet has that option to
Okay, so
share the
what I'll
files.
do is in the WhatsApp group, I'll share the.
Yeah,
Yeah, ma'am, you can just share the links with us or in the mail. We can forward to all the participants, maybe, or in the
yeah,
WhatsApp group also.
Okay, no, if you can open WhatsApp web, like you can just download it immediately to the system. I thought it would be easy that way.
yeah, yeah. You can just paste it there, and whoever is not there in the WhatsApp, just let us know so that Indrani will mail you those files.
Yeah, right. I'll do that, ma'am.
Hmm.
Oh, it says only community admins can send a message, ma'am. Where is that? Okay.
Ma'am, in the systematic review that we have
I'll do
the
that. I'll do
WhatsApp
that.
group, in that you can just share.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll forward to the participants.
Okay. I would request you to please download these two files. Do not alter anything, and please take your time and let's get back on it. Ma'am, you can forward it to them.
Yeah, Shindar, yeah, ma'am. Just give me 2 minutes. I'll share it, Shinduja ma'am, and get back to you.
So, Shinduja, ma'am, you have four packages which we need to download, right? Metaphor, Meta, OpenXLX, and QDAP.
Yes.
Okay. QDAP is taking a lot of time.
Okay. When you open the code, automatically it asks you to install. So,
Yeah, yeah.
and sometimes it so happens that there will be some errors which we won't be able to fix. So we need to check with some softwares who are already working on these codes and stuff. So in that case, like earlier when I used to work in lab, we had some software engineers used to work and help us out. So we used to get back to them. Any concerns, we can always contact them. I'll share their details very soon in case we're not able to run these codes.
Okay. I think we'll just have this WhatsApp group for a few more days. I would request all those who are in today's session to,
Sure.
get your own work for this meta-analysis and then run through this code. And
Mhm.
if there are any troubleshootings, we can ask Shinduja ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Okay. And as she said, she'd be happy to co-author, so that way, everyone would have a win-win situation.
Yes.
Right. And I've shared about four systematic review and meta-analysis paper in the WhatsApp group, like which I've worked on earlier. So in case anybody wants to start working on meta-analysis, you can go through the paper and design your own methodology and go ahead and let me know if you have any concerns or with respect to systematic review or in the meta-analysis part. I'll be always happy to help. Please let me know in the chat box how many of you all would download the code and the Excel file.
So I've just mailed all the participants for the ease. I mean, it will be easy to you to download on the system. I've just mailed all of them, ma'am, those two files.
Okay, I request all of you all to please download that and save it in a folder on the desktop, please. I think that is the reason the voice is getting echoed. Is it possible for you to remove one?
Okay, okay, just let me see. I'll just get back to just let me see. 3 years. Remaining participants? Yes. Okay.
Ma'am, can you please share this script also so that we can directly use it?
Sorry, ma'am, didn't
Um,
get you.
ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Can you please share this script?
Yes, ma'am.
Please send us
That is
the.
what was the second file was the R file which was sent in the group was that script only.
The script, the R code. I'll be back in a minute.
Yashi, you need to mute yourself.
Downloaded. I request anyone to share your screen so that I can guide you step by step so that you can generate the results. Anybody?
Yes, ma'am. Shall I share my screen
Yes,
once
ma'am,
again?
please.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, yes, please. Gopi
Subha
Krishna
sir?
sir or Naresh or Saraswati ma'am, kindly share the screen so that any troubleshootings would be clarified easily. Rashmi, you there?
Ma'am, we got only two files. One is MRSA PDF and another one is Excel file. We don't have it.
Excel and Meta
R.
R is there, no?
No, ma'am. Only two files we got. Script
Meta
we have
R.
only.
I shared it twice, no? You mean in the you mean in the
Email.
email?
Ah,
Acha, email. You might sometimes what happens your system
Um,
files may not
ma'am,
go.
where you have shared it otherwise?
Okay, WhatsApp. In the WhatsApp, I have shared the WhatsApp group, right? Link in the chat box earlier.
Resend the file that.
Okay, Sugunakar has signed it. Yeah, Shinduja, you can carry on.
Yes, sir. So can you please maximize your screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's still
Yeah, maximize that arrow.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Rashmi, the code's already in that meta.r file. So all you have to do is you have to open that. It'll automatically open that R Studio. That's what Nam's trying to say.
Right.
Something is it downloading happening, right?
Sorry, sir.
It is downloaded, right?
Yeah. Actually, I think it is trying to install certain packages. So that
Yeah.
is the reason you're getting that red color pop up on your console window.
Yes, it's installing our packages. That's what it
Right,
should.
right.
Yeah. I think it may take a couple of minutes. I think.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
So meanwhile, I request you to please set the working directory. So for that, you need to go to the session tab on top,
Yeah.
set working directory.
Source file.
Yeah, you can choose your source file location and make sure the Excel file and the R code is in the same folder so that once your result is generated, it will also create a new folder inside that folder and then you can get the results.
Okay. Now I got it here like set.
So one thing what you can do is on the desktop you can open a folder and put this R code and that R the Excel file what I just sent you, right?
Yeah.
You can put it
Okay.
on that and set that as your working folder.
We can do that.
Shinduja, can this script be copy pasted in the mail? Because some people have trouble opening that meta R file.
Oh, ma'am, the problem is it won't be supporting. It should be in that R extension format, ma'am.
No, what they can do is they can
They
just
can
run it
copy
in
paste.
the console, right? They can copy
They
paste
can,
and put it in the
yeah,
console
we
and
can
run it.
try. We can try.
Yeah,
We can try
yeah.
doing it.
So
Yeah.
We need
because
to copy
you
the
can
code
as well
from
here in the chat box only you can as well copy paste.
the whole thing.
Yeah,
Okay.
I mean that would be
So do
way
you,
better than mail also.
Let me just check. Try
Yeah.
doing that.
Sindhuja, like you can see, like there is a, I've done the part, keep it on the
Okay.
desktop.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
it's
sir.
still running. It's still installing actually.
Our,
Yeah,
you can see that green line also that needs to get completed. It
Of
is
yeah,
all
still,
the files, QDAP is taking a lot of time, so that's why it is
huh.
taking that much. Yeah.
So if in case you're running meta-analysis for the first time and using this package, it so happens that by default it will try to install the metaphor and meta package. If not, what we can do is this code was written in the initial stage. That is the first time when we try to run the meta-analysis package. So all this hash can be removed, which says install package. So it will like if when you run this code line by line, it will install all the default packages required for meta-analysis. Once that is done, next time when you have to run any Excel files, you can just make it like a comment, that is use the hashtag, so that these packages will not get installed again. Once if it is done, it is done, it's there in the memory.
yeah. What is that code? If you can able to tell us,
Sorry, sir.
what is that code? Just now you told me. Uh,
Okay,
you-
I was telling you these codes what are given in hash install
yes,
packages.
exactly, exactly.
These are for the first time users, like first time when
Yeah,
you use meta analysis, it is for you to install. So what we can usually do is remove that hash, so that
okay,
it'll come in this format, that is your the install package will be appearing in blue colored font and that metaphor will be inside the brackets. So it will start installing all those packages, install wherever it is written. No, you can run those
yes,
codes and later make it like a comment for the next upcoming files, so that you can just run the code for meta analysis.
yeah, sure.
So yeah,
Just
basically
wait
there are
for it to
comments
get
there. Yeah.
installed, huh? And then maybe it's going quite a bit of time.
Yeah, as it's doing for first time, I think it's taking a lot of
Yes,
time.
yes, sir. Once it is installed, you will not be facing this problem for the subsequent files.
Yeah,
Sugnakar, can you just maximize that? There's an easy way to install packages. I'll just once tell that also, so it'll be easy.
Yeah.
Click on the tools on the above tools.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Install
click on
packages.
that. Install packages.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So you'll get a pop-up. How many days has it been since you opened R? Okay. Now click on say Qt app. Qt app. Qt app.
Please type in, sir.
Type
But
QDAP.
I'm doing the same thing.
QDAP.
Q.
D kuda.
Yeah. Q.
Yeah. Now install. So when you click on that, that's also one way of installing all the 4 packages first, which is present in the code. Similarly, you can install the Metaphor, OpenXLX also, or Rashmi, Saraswati, and others, Sandhanam, or others. Please let us know whether you're able to install packages that way. Once you install, then these libraries.
Up to Qt
Yeah.
we have done. We are doing that.
Yeah. So Metaphor, OpenXLX. Once you have installed, then you have to click on library and the name of those, the above package, then you'll get it.
Hope all of y'all are in the same step, installing the packages. Any doubts, any errors you're facing, please let me know so that I can help you all out.
Can everybody please have the courtesy of unmuting yourself or at least typing in the message?
Downloading. Okay.
I think I'm done with the installation, right?
Something is still running. It's red, no?
Yeah, it's some error
Again,
message.
no, again.
No, it's
although we
still
have
running,
finished
not
the
error
code,
message.
No, it's
Yeah.
not completed.
It's still running.
My point is that earlier I started installing, right? Again, we did the QDAP. So it's twice, I believe, right?
Uh-huh.
Is the point? Yeah, see now.
You can check
Package
for your
BHC
packages. If
display.
it's already there, you can stop it actually.
Package we had successfully installed. Okay. I think it's done, sir.
Yeah, I believe this.
So what you can do is you can go to the first line of the code where it says library. Please get your
Library.
cursor and click on Control Enter.
Control enter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just do that for the subsequent steps. Control enter, control enter.
Okay. Even for 6 also?
Yeah, from the next line also.
Should I do dev tools as well?
Yes, sir.
It's saying that install dot packages.
Yes, please.
Those hashtags can be ignored,
Hashtag
right?
can be skipped. It will not read, ma'am, since it is
Yeah,
in,
that's what.
yeah, so
That's
no
what.
problem. It says change the input file.
Okay. So should I do change the input file?
SCT side. Yeah.
Here is a change input file because it's in the desktop.
Right. When we have set the working directory to the desktop only. Yeah, MET workshop. Why is it asking to change the file?
Yeah, that is what. We change to MET itself.
So can you just minimize and show me the file on the desktop, please? Yeah, can you please minimize? Please open that. I hope the file format is not changed. XLS file only, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Data underscore post. I don't know what's happening. Please minimize. Let's go back to the code.
We can already also import, right? That would be easy rather than that code.
We can do that, ma'am, but
In the other quadrant right now, in the files, can I just click on this?
Sorry, sir.
In the files that we see in the fourth quadrant, can you just click it?
Right, but these are the files which is appearing in the folder. But what processing is going on, no, sir? It should be seen in your the right quadrant, that is the workspace browser
Yes,
above that.
exactly. Yeah.
So if you are reading the right file, it should appear there, and what are the contents of the file will appear on the right. So it is not able to read that file to pull into the R
Yes.
software. That's
So,
what it is trying to tell.
okay, so what's that I have to do now?
It says change the input file system. So what you can do is
I have an easy way.
yes, ma'am.
You can directly, everybody, if you have downloaded the Excel, you can just do it with import dataset. Near that environment and history it will be there, no? Import dataset.
Yeah,
Not there.
Right hand side, sir.
Right hand side, environment history connections. Near that, import dataset is there. See?
Topmost.
Yes.
Yes, import dataset. Click on that from Excel.
From Excel.
Browse wherever you have put in and just open that particular file, data brute underscore brute.
Import data set.
I think that package needs
Ma'am,
to be.
I'm getting one error.
Can I just share my
share
screen
your
once?
screen, ma'am. That will be better. Yes.
Sudnaka, just stop. You meanwhile upgrade your that one.
Yeah. So when you do it for first time, these are the
It
issues.
happens, sir. Yes, it happens.
Yeah, but
Can I share my screen? Ma'am,
Ma'am, we'll wait for Manjari ma'am wants to just run and show, then you can share your screen.
Yes, I've shared it. Okay, everybody see here, it's import dataset here from Excel. Click on that, and here you have a pop-up window. Browse it. Wherever your data is downloaded, click on that and say open. Automatically it will come whatever is there in that. So this is exactly what we are looking into, and say import. So once you import, it will show like this. Then since the in the okay, I'll repeat. Import data set.
Yep.
Excel, from Excel. browse wherever you're put in your Excel file given by ma'am, shared by ma'am, data underscore BRU2, open, it'll automatically show whatever's there in that sheet. And
It
since this is
shows
what we are
this
looking
is
at, yeah,
invalid Excel file,
invalid Excel file. I
and
don't
there
know.
is no package called lifecycle.
Okay, didn't you open this? Okay, just a second. Didn't you open this? Read XLX, open XLX, install packages. Didn't you do this?
Yes, I did.
Then you should be able to get that.
And what is
Uh,
lifecycle?
huh?
It is saying that there is no package called lifecycle.
Ma'am, we'll just see Manjari ma'am's. Then you can share your screen. We'll try to fix it, ma'am.
Yeah, maybe that is for those which works. It'll yeah. So data brew, then say import, and you'll get this. Then since the here it is DF, the data set is called DF because in the subsequent one that is what is used. What I did was simply before that I'm giving the new data set with already existing ones and say enter. So now you have your file ready. So you can see view DF. So this is what we are getting, right? Till here, I think it should not be a problem. Shinduja?
Yes, ma'am. That's fine.
Yeah.
Then you can start reading it line by line.
Yeah, line by line properly because since that's what I understood that since you have changed the name here, so that
Right.
is what will be here. Okay. Everybody got this? I'll stop sharing. Whoever has got an issue, please
Ma'am,
start.
could you generate the files, ma'am, like a forest plot and funnel plot?
I'll do that meanwhile. Just meanwhile help others, no?
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you can
Uh,
share your screen, ma'am, in case you're
yeah.
facing any problem.
Uh,
Y-
I'll try again. I'll do that.
Yeah. Indrani, ma'am, you want to share your screen?
Gopi Krishna sir, you can start with the other part, next part of it. Try those next forest plots and all. If you're able to do it, well and good. Oh, he got an error message. He has put his messages in the group now. Just kindly check that in Shinduja
Yes,
WhatsApp.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Error in big2 character file could not function to file. 1 second.
Meanwhile, Rashmi and Saraswati, just check. Sandanam, you're here. Naresh.
File name. I could not find character.
That open XLX also. But again, it
Uh,
is
You can as well, copy that Excel, normal Excel, open your Excel, copy that tab, information into a notepad and open it as a text file also. At the end of the day, all it matters is how you pick up the data into R. Yashi?
Yeah. I'll try that.
Yeah. I got an error for in the PDF one forest plot PDF document. I got an error, Shinduja.
Ma'am, I'm just trying to fix that error. Let me just give me a minute, ma'am.
Sure, sure, sure.
Yeah.
If I'm changing that as a text file, where I have to edit in the script?
Not in the script. You just have to import. Same earlier I showed Excel, right?
Ah,
This time you take it as a text file, text or tab, delimited, whatever. Usually that should work.
yeah, it's importing.
Yeah. R, if it works, is the easiest one. If it doesn't work, it's the toughest one.
Yeah, I accept that.
Ma'am, actually the error is coming in case if the QDOT function is not installed correctly. Okay, so one
Okay.
small change can be done
Hmm.
in that code where it is given bg2cat bracket file, correct? I'll
Come
type
again,
that.
come again, come
Yeah,
again.
I'll just type that for you in the chat
Yeah,
box.
yeah.
Ma'am, I'm getting the same error again.
I'll tell you the line number, ma'am. You need to make a small change there. Okay.
Hmm.
Please hold on. Let me also open it simultaneously. Line
You
number
can
21.
you can just share it, no? Share it.
I'll share
Sharing
the
will be
screen.
easier. Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm getting the same error. What I have typed in the chat box.
Yeah, one second, one second. Yeah, can you see my screen now, ma'am?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Please go to line number 21.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here in this place, file square bracket 1 comma, you can see this code.
Ah, yeah.
Ah, this is missing, comma 1. Can you please try inserting that?
Comma one. Okay.
Okay. Click on to save and please try running the code, control enter. And the error may also be if you have not
After
installed.
comma, we have to type one.
Yeah, after comma, type 1 and save. This option is here, save current document, save.
But I got an error in the previous one, PDF.
Is it Manjari, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am. Let me
It is
just finish
showing
this
an
one.
error again. After typing one,
No, 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 no. After typing 1, you have to save it and run the code. Come here.
no,
Come.
no, ma'am,
Uh,
1 minute. After
uh,
typing one, in the same line, the script is showing error, unexpected token, within bracket hyphen.
Ma'am, can you please share the screen? Let me have a look at it.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yes, please.
I'm showing the entire screen. And now it is gone. See, again getting error.
One
It
second, ma'am.
is
Let me just figure it out.
just
1
one.
minute. No, ma'am, you have not typed at the right place, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
It
Where I
should
have
come to
typed.
the end. Yeah, after the open. What is that? After underscore, after the
This one
quotation
here.
mark, comma, 1. Yeah.
More.
Now type comma 1.
Hmm.
Save. Click on to save option on top.
No, control yes, I can put.
Yeah,
No?
control S.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah.
Now come to the starting of that line and click control enter.
Where? For
Ah,
the for
dr is there. No, that same line number 24.
here. Okay.
Control enter.
No, again it is showing error. Could not
Not
find
find
the function
function.
back to char.
No, I think you need to install the packages, no?
Ma'am,
Packages
I
do
think you have not installed the packages, ma'am.
exactly.
No, I
QDAP
have
is required. Yeah, you have not
Packages,
installed.
dev tools, and the QDAP
See on
required,
top it says
but are not
installed.
installed. Yes.
Right.
which one is not installed?
QDAP.
No, I have installed. I have installed
Sir,
QDAP
ma'am,
twice.
you can see the error on top. Package devotes and QDAP required but not installed. So click on to the option install. Yeah, please give it some time. It is installing. So let's wait. After you do this one, you can run the code
Yes,
again. I think it should
QDAP
work.
I have installed twice.
I
Two
don't
times I
know.
did. I got error, so again I did.
Maybe installation is not complete or something. Let's wait, ma'am.
Maybe once this gets complete, if you are getting this same error, you can uninstall and again reinstall it again.
That particular
But
package. Yeah.
I think that can work out maybe.
Let me check this time. If it is not working, again I will do it.
Where do you change the working directory?
Ma'am,
Once?
session, go to session, set
Uh-huh.
to working directory. There is an option there.
Okay. Okay. Right.
Okay.
I'll try doing that one also once.
Yes, ma'am.
Sindhuja, can just share my screen once so that I can continue. Because I imported everything and I'm getting a blue message. I just wanted to show the screen. Sindhuja, is it audible?
Yes, sir. Shinduja ma'am?
Yeah,
Yes,
she's
ma'am.
good. Yeah, can I just share my screen once?
Yes, sir. Indrani, ma'am, you
Legume,
had some doubt?
please, Legume Lab, could you please stop sharing?
No, no, no. No.
Yeah, I'm just doing it.
So is there any error or
I hope I'm presenting to everyone. And this
Still, I'm
is
getting the same error. Could not find a function.
now, Sindhuja, could you please guide me from here?
okay, sir? Right. Can you please come to the first tab, Meta R?
Meta R, yes.
Okay. And then, can I know, have you run all the, all the codes? Like all the lines, have you run it?
I think
No?
so. I think so. Just again, I have to just give a
Yeah, can
comma
you
and then
please
run.
start again from the beginning? Let's try. Meanwhile, you can clear up this console window, sir. There's a small paintbrush kind of thing, no, in the console window. Click onto that, it'll clear the screen and We'll try
Yeah,
running line by line.
yeah, it is done.
Yeah. You can
Now,
start from the library file, like library metaphor, line number 3.
line
Click on
number
to control
3,
enter. Control enter.
control and
Yeah.
go
Control
that.
enter. Yes,
But
please.
I go to install. Every time it is going to
Oh, one
require.
second, 1 second. The system files. Why did you see path? Okay, click on control enter again.
Yeah, I have to go to dev tools now. I did that. When I go
Still
to
getting
set,
change the
I
input.
have done.
1 minute,
Then
1 minute.
change input file
System. So please come to the session once again. Come to the session.
session, working
Set
directory,
working directory.
choose a
Choose
directory,
directory. Choose directory.
desktop, then
Desktop. Yeah. Open.
yeah. Now should I go with library again?
Okay. Yes, please. It's not able to read the XLS file, so there is a error there. Okay. Next. Control enter. Okay.
Then my
Input file. Please proceed. Like, let's go further. Go to the files line number 15, and read it. Files. Oh, okay.
okay,
Come to line number 18.
okay,
Click on to line number 18. Okay. Carry on. Control enter.
control
Control enter.
control
Could not find the function. Beg to character.
of
Okay.
big,
So I think
big
you have
character.
entered that comma 1, right, sir? I was
Yes,
just
yes, yes.
telling right now. There is a
Yeah,
space after the comma. Can you please delete that space?
uh, yeah. I think I should go into that. Yes,
Okay. Please run that code again. Line number 21.
that's okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Choose again the same thing.
Could not find. Can you please save and then try doing that? Click on to save.
Source and save or
Ha.
just save.
No, just save. Save. Yeah, and please run that line again. Run the code again. 21. Line number 21.
Yeah, I think I got it. Yeah.
Okay. Next line.
Then
Control enter.
now it should the director. Yes. It should
Error. Object DR not found.
meta.
Okay. Forest plot PDF document. Error subject. Okay. Next.
There seems to be that another package, devs tools also needs to be installed because it's given in green. We didn't run it
Okay.
after OpenXLX.
Please go on
After
top.
QDAP, there is a hashtag. You said install packages DevTools require DevTools. When I observed that it was not there earlier. Now I installed
Earlier.
it.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
please
So
check everybody also. Yeah.
what we can do is we can remove all these hashtags and install all the packages once again and then start running the codes. Since it's for the first time, maybe it is not able to read it accurately. Starting from the beginning, sir.
I think I need to go
Yeah.
to from here.
Yeah. Kindly delete only that hashtag symbol from line 1, line 2.
Should I remove the hashtag?
Yeah. Please remove that hashtag. Yeah. Line 2, line 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, I'm just doing that. 11 should I remove?
11. Okay.
12?
No, not
12 as
12,
well?
sir. Not 12, not
Okay.
12. 11. And then
Line 32 is empty.
17.
Okay.
Yes, please scroll down. Any more? No. I think that's it.
Here it is, 32.
No, sir. That is just a statement.
I think that's fine, I believe.
Yeah, that's fine. You can run from the first line, sir. Kindly clear this console window and please run. Yes.
More packages substituted are currently loaded. Start or peer to install is highly recommended. Rstudio can restart or before installing the request packages. All work and data will be preserved during a restart. Do you want to
Yes.
restart here? So when I have to go to restart, then I have to stop presenting.
Yeah. Please click on to yes and then.
Yeah.
Man-
Someone can do that. Maybe.
Manjari ma'am, you wanna share your screen?
Just a minute. I'm just downloading all this.
Okay. Anyone
One sec.
else who would like to share the screen in?
Yeah, Yashi, Rashmi, Gopi
I'm
Krishna,
doing
sir.
it again. I'm doing it again. Let me clear
Yeah.
that. Still, I'm getting that.
Ma'am, since that queued app is not installed, I think the error was coming up. You can try once that installation is complete.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm doing it. Yeah.
Already I have installed. I'm doing it again. I'm trying.
Shinduja ma'am,
Where?
I had a doubt just.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so like this thing, like this codes and all, what you're putting for meta-analysis review. So we does it follow the same route in R also? R?
Or yes, ma'am. But I think for every line and thing you need to define. Since I've been using R Studio, this is more
Yeah.
convenient for me. I have not
Yes,
worked
yes, yes.
exclusively on R. This is
Okay,
like
okay,
more
okay,
user
okay.
friendly, no?
Okay, yes, yes, that is true. Art Studio is more user friendly
Yeah,
than
yeah,
compared to R.
exactly. It's like
एक
working
बार
on
R
command prompt
Python
and on
सीख
Windows.
लेना ना
So
शेल
that kind of difference we
स्क्रिप्टिंग
have.
सीख लिया ना तुम खेल सकते हो दुनिया को खेल सकते हो तुम दुनिया दिमाग में रख लेना तुम भी दिमाग में रखो
Subnakar,
बिकॉज
you have to
स्किल
mute.
कैपेबल ह्यूमन
Subnakar.
Sugar sir.
मगर एनालिसिस करना बहुत बड़ी बात होता है
Sunakar
आई
sir,
एम
will you
लर्निंग
please mute?
मुझे लर्न करने की जरूरत नहीं
Service.
है आर पाइथन
इंद्रानी तो म्यूट कर रहे हैं.
बट
हाँ.
कोई भी डाटा को मैं
Sugar sir.
एनालाइज कर सकता हूँ इजीली जितना
कर दिया मैंने.
I wish at least 2, 3 of y'all at least get the output so that I'll be very happy.
Ma'am,
No,
actually,
but
queued up
more
is
than this.
creating problem. Queued up installation.
Yes, ma'am. Like some systems, even I had the same problem in the morning. It requires Oracle and Java for QDAP complete installation. So, in case there is a problem with those two installation, QDAP, it will be a little difficult to install QDAP package and run the code. So,
Any other way of doing it? Any shortcuts for that?
ma'am, still it is not fixed, is it?
For me, it is not. Still, it is doing the same thing.
Can
Maybe
I
ma'am.
just see?
Maybe did she reinstall? We can check with that.
I'm doing it with one
Just I
possible.
mean like uninstall it, ma'am. Totally. Then you can just restart your system and then one more time you can just start with installing.
Okay. I'm trying with all my
Just try. Yeah, ma'am.
all possible ways. I'm trying.
Yes, yes. We'll see.
Shinduja, I'm
Yes,
getting
ma'am.
this error. See, I've.
Let me look into it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. See, till here I got it. CS spaced until here. After
Okay.
this, I is equal to 1 for 1. Till here, I'm not able to get this.
Can you please show me the console window, ma'am? Let me see what is the
Yeah,
error.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll just again escape this and I'll try to
Yeah, you
run
can
it.
just clean up
Yeah.
the space. Let's see.
See, this one, it's done.
Okay.
After that, I've pasted this. Let me see if I can run this or not. Ah, it's like this.
Different not found. Error object.
I is equal to 1. Okay, I think it ran. After that, fur. That fur option is
Ma'am, can you remove that comma 1 from that line and run?
okay.
Initially, that was not a part of the code. Please
I have
save.
another question
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
Here you have a flower bracket. See,
That'll
where is the
end
end of
down
that flower
at the
bracket?
bottom.
Acha, acha, it's a complete one.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, let
Follow.
me then run till here then.
Yeah, right.
No, it's the same error. Beg to catch.
I think queued up problem only, ma'am.
You got it? You have run it in your own system?
Yeah, my system it's working fine, ma'am.
Could you just once share it
Share
once?
my
We'll
screen.
see. Yeah, yeah. I'll stop sharing mine.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Which version of R 4.2.3? Okay.
4.2.3, ma'am.
Okay, 4.1.3. I'm using 4.1.3. Maybe, sometimes even those
Yeah,
also
it also
matters.
matters. Yeah. So I'll just clean up this one.
Oh,
It's the same code what I've sent.
yeah, yeah.
I'll start running the.
Entire code, yeah.
Yeah.
It says like QDAP is not working in older versions of RStudio.
Ma'am, which is the
So,
version of R you have installed?
So it is with the version.
I'm now
Exactly.
It is
installing the new one. I'm downloading
4.2.3 you can install, ma'am.
something new. I have taken 446. I have taken.
Done, ma'am.
yeah.
Yeah, it is just a warning message that this file is already exit. The folder is already created with the results.
Yeah, I'll try to download the latest version 4.2.3 and try to running
Which
it
is the
again.
version that you're using, ma'am?
4.1.3.
Okay, okay. Maybe 4.2.3 should
Yes.
support. Yeah. This one is generated one. I'll delete the and run again. I'll think. I don't know why. Maybe even if it's been long time working on our versions and the packages, the reset
Yeah.
it requires. This is a problem with the software. So
Yeah. As I told, if it works, it's the easiest one. If it doesn't work, it's the
we have to
triskiest
sit
one.
and break our heads. That's right. Right.
2.3, right? Huh.
Ma'am, what's the other ma'am's name?
Yashi. Yashi.
Yasin.
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 I think it's hard. You should change your name from Legume to Yashi.
Legume
It's so
Lab to
difficult.
your name, right?
No, that is for official purpose. That's why I kept it like that.
Yeah,
Okay.
you did tell us that, that it's your lab's name.
Yeah, that's my lab's name.
Yasin. Okay. Ma'am, you can try installing the recent this one R version and checking it. Indrani, ma'am, could you try doing it? Was there any issue?
I'm trying.
yes,
Trying.
yes. I also face the same issue, so I'm just uninstalling 4.3. I installed 4.3, but the same error had come with how Manjari ma'am has showed.
Okay, okay, fine, ma'am. Let's wait and
No, this troubleshooting we need to know because unless and otherwise we explore those
exactly we'll
things,
be
we
stuck. We won't be able to
will
proceed
be stuck. We
further.
won't be able to find out, trace out where is it exactly we are going wrong. These things are
Right,
more important than getting the result
right,
at
right.
first shot,
Exactly,
ma'am.
exactly.
So doing the things is easier. Anyone else who has done or having some other questions can interact with ma'am. So ma'am, this kind of codes and all it's purely like for meta-analysis and for systematic review. It will vary the type of the review that we are analyzing, right?
Yes, ma'am. Now, for this is for the kind of study where you have study events total. Okay,
Someone
for
please show me the final
correlation
result.
and median, there are different codes. So your input data also will vary. The Excel sheet, how you prepare the data also will vary. I have all that with me. So I thought today, if I give you like hands-on with this kind of data, that I will share
Yeah,
with you whenever you'll find time. You can run those codes and check with the different
sure,
types
sure,
of
sure,
data.
sure,
Yeah.
sure. So
So
you have the latest version of this R Studio, ma'am?
Our studio is 4.2.3, ma'am.
2.3.
Yesterday,
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah, 2.3.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine, fine,
Yeah,
fine.
It's an older version, not the latest one,
it is
actually.
not the latest version. It's an older version,
Oh,
actually. Yeah.
okay. Acha.
Actually, that's the reason why I asked you.
Right, ma'am.
I
I tried yesterday
The
whole
reverse
night with
happened.
4.3. Then today
uh,
morning again I had to uninstall and I tried with 4.2.3 and now it was working. Almost till
uh,
9:45 I was trying to fix this, ma'am.
yeah. One thing we can do, Shinduja, it's almost going to be three, right?
Mm-hmm.
So everybody of us will continue doing this and have a chat in the WhatsApp group and
Sure.
try
Yes,
to
we.
resolve this issue
True,
Mm-hmm.
true,
before
true.
we
One,
dissolve
one
that group.
request.
Okay.
One,
Like, yeah, yeah.
one request, please.
Yes,
Somebody
ma'am.
please show
Yes,
me the
ma'am, please.
final result.
Yeah, you have to even show at least show us your final results,
Yeah, how
Shinduja,
you
what you
get the
got.
plots or how you got the
I
results,
did
ma'am. You can
just
just
discussed it
share
right
that.
now, no, ma'am. Should I do that
Yeah.
again?
Yeah. Meanwhile, everybody
I'll
will
share
work
that.
on that. Yeah,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
share your screen again and show us your results, what you got it, so that at least we'll end this session. But yeah, only technically,
Hmm.
until unless everyone is
Yeah,
here.
please make sure you try to get the plots by yourself and kindly get back to me for in case you're still facing the errors.
Yeah.
It is completely depend on the software, man. I'm actually helpless this point of time.
It might not work, that
Yeah,
will
yeah,
be that.
exactly. Yeah. Hope you all can see my screen.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I've just cleaned up everything. So I'm starting to read the code from line number 3. Control enter, control enter, control enter, control enter, and just come down. All these. Yeah. So the time is 2:45. I just got these two results on the desktop. The folder name data was created.
Okay, so this is how you'll get it.
Yes, yes.
Oh,
So this is a forest plot. This is the funnel plot. So the name of the folder will be data, like that is how it has been described in that code, and date modified, like you can make out what time it is generated. This is my default directory. I will also share the other codes like for meta regression, eggers and best test, and in case when we use correlation as the input files, how to work on those also.
Thank you so much.
okay.
Yeah, thank you so
Thank
much.
you, ma'am.
I'm
Thank you,
really
ma'am,
sorry,
so
like
much.
you couldn't do it, but
No, no, it's
We'll
fine. It's
definitely.
fine.
If we can get it in color, it will be good.
sorry, ma'am.
In color format,
Plots,
she's asking the data representation in
Uh,
different color, ma'am.
we don't have, I mean, as far as I have worked, I don't have an option to change it here in R, ma'am. Maybe we can check if there are any other packages which can change the output, like if we can change the color or stuff. But what I've seen in other research papers are usually black and white. Maybe like some new packages have come to
No,
change the color. Let
no,
me check
Valkana,
that and I'll let you know, ma'am.
by using R, we use Valkana plots, right? Where you get a color code only.
Sorry, sir.
When you do NGS data analysis, when you see appropriate
Yeah,
diametric genes, you
yes,
see
sir. But
Valkana plots.
yeah, NGS analysis, we can generate heat maps of different color range. We can do that. But especially for meta analysis, how to change the colors in this plot, I am unaware of that, sir. I'll
Okay.
check that and I'll keep you
Thank you.
posted
Thank
on
you.
this.
Thank you so
Maybe
much.
those which you have seen in the papers might be from other softwares which you had shown earlier, not in R maybe.
Ma'am, but
Yeah.
this heat maps and NGS analysis can also be done in R. So that
Yeah,
is by
yeah.
default taken in colors. But
Hmm.
meta analysis, I'm not sure how do we change the colors. That's it.
Yeah.
Right.
Anybody else have a question here? Gopi Krishna sir, Rashmi, I don't know who else, Saraswati ji. Naresh, Kausar. I don't know. So I've seen names which were not in the morning. Zayul.
After changing that package also, QDAP is not installing.
QDOP is not installing, so there's some problem with the installation, ma'am. We need to install Java for the QDOP installation. Ma'am, maybe
Hmm.
when you're free one
Java
time,
with version, Java with version is required.
I'll check that and I'll